Just when I think that everything is gone, there's nothing left for me to hold on to. You came into my life like the shooting star, like a gentle wind in the evening. You gave me hope, a new lease of life. You pulled me up from the abyss of my despair. My baby darling, you're my miracle, my second chance. You're my anchor in the storm. You're my guiding light in the dark. Everything I am today is because of you. I am blessed because you are in my life. I promise to love you and stand by you until the day I breathe my last breath. Every battle that comes your way, I'll be there. We'll face the world together.